Hi families, Mrs. Feldkamp here. Want to provide some clarification in logging into the Seesaw Class App or class account. I am so sorry that our district is making everybody log in a different way now, but I want to just make it as easy as possible because I know you're having so much information thrown at you every day. So I am on my computer here sharing my screen. You can also do this by downloading the Seesaw Class app on your phone or tablet. I will send out paper directions for that or a file direction for that, okay? It's the login though is the same way. So I'm going to go to Seesaw here and I'm going to click login. Here is the most important thing. Please pay attention to this. First of all, you need to click I'm a student. Do not click family member. Click I'm a student. Here's the most important thing. You need to sign in with Google. Please, please, please sign in with Google. It's not going to work if you do it this way. Click sign in with Google. Okay, you can see all my emails here. You might have some emails listed too. You need to choose use another account. Okay, I'm going to click on that. You might have a default email that pops in there that you're going to have to clear. In this, you are going to enter in your child's stillwaterschools.org email that I am going to send to you. Okay, after you do that, you are going to click next. There will be a 6-digit number starting with a 9. That's their student ID, which is their password that I will also provide you. That is their password. Okay, then you should be able, so that's where you would put the password in there. Okay, then click next and you should be in. It's not going to show up properly since I'm a teacher and not a student. If you have problems, let me know. I'll try my best to be tech support. Once you get in there, you're going to notice that there's about 1,100 notifications from the school year in our homeroom. That's just everything I've already posted that you've seen as a parent now shows up for students. The reason why the Stillwater District is asking families to also have the student app is because beginning Monday, specialists, art, PE, music, library, are going to be posting activities for your child to complete. When they post an activity versus just posting like a video or something, an activity for a child to complete, you need the class app. Kids need to be logged in as themselves for that to work. That does not work on the family or the app that you've been using all school year. That being said, keep the family app. If that's been working for you, you can still respond to me that way. That way we can have parent-teacher communication that your student won't be able to access on their app. You know, our messages will remain confidential between adults. So I know it's a bit of a pain here to do the 2-app thing. Trust me, it's not teachers' first choices, but that's the way we're going to go. So I hope it's as painless as possible for you guys to log in. If you need support or have questions, let me know. Thank you so much.